Welcome to your future home. Today, we're thrilled to take you on a virtual tour of this stunning property. I'm Dan, your dedicated real estate expert, and I can't wait to show you around. Step into the heart of the home, where natural light floods in, highlighting the spacious living area. Ideal for cozy evenings with loved ones or entertaining guests. This kitchen is a chef's dream. Sleek countertops, top-of-the-line appliances, and ample storage. Perfect for creating culinary masterpieces. The bedrooms are designed for comfort and relaxation, offering a peaceful retreat at the end of the day. Imagine waking up to the warmth of natural sunlight every morning. Step outside to your private oasis. The spacious backyard provides an ideal setting for gatherings, gardening, or simply enjoying a quiet moment. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour. If you've fallen in love with what you've seen, contact me, Dan, to schedule an in-person visit. Your dream home awaits. Let's make it yours.